So do you know how to build a brand even without launching the product? It's through the community. And today let me take you through one of the case studies of Bliss Club, and which was founded by Meenu Margaret in 2020. So basically Bliss Club is an activewear brand built by Indian women, and it is specific for Indian women. So she started the brand with the mindset of community building, in which she connected with the real women and understand their problems and what issues they faced while either opting for yoga class, selecting the product for their activewear. They had already built an active community of more than 10,000 to 12,000 people who connected on daily basis. And when you launch, one question which always comes to a founder's mind is how do you take your one core USP and market it everywhere? Their one USP was inclusivity of Indian women, and about their size, about their color, and about everything. So they take that into consideration and included it everywhere, like right from their cover photo of the website to their Instagram page, and even they didn't left a space over into mentioning the size. So basically normal routine size works in a way that is from XS to 4XL, but Bliss Club turned it around, like made it into 4XL to XS. And also about their unboxing experience, they didn't leave a chance over there. So basically when I personally received the product, I not only get the product, but also with that I received a deal breaker, which was habit tracker. In that we can specifically mention what kind of routine we are going to follow. It also includes the stories of real women who overcame their challenges. So the thing was, they call women Bliss Queens, which I think is a great part of the community to give your community a very good name which is recognizable later on as well. And you know what? They didn't run away from the slang. They called themselves the Bitch Club. Basically, they turned their negative word into an empowerment statement. Fast forward today, they are now hosting multiple things. For an example, yoga classes, Pilates clubs, maybe even lot of other fitness challenges. They are not just selling an activewear, they are inviting women towards this movement. And as a marketer and a strategist, I have 3 amazing takeaways on this. If you want to know that and get those details, comment Bliss into comment and I'll send it to you.